Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the house. So let's get begin. I draw the two lines. Now I am going to draw the triangle. In the triangle, I am going to draw the circle. Now I am going to draw the window. And then I draw the door. Now friends, let's come and draw the sun. It's time to draw the tree. So I draw the tree. Let's come and paint the house together. Red. Blue. Yellow. green, light green. Orange,
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Butter, silver, nutmeg, and a golden pear.
purple,
The king of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree. Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear.
brown,
I said so fair.
excellent. The house look excellent. Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.